Hello guys, welcome to my journal, The Girl in the Guava Tree. Today's segment is about life, about progression. Check out the birds. It's on top of the roof. See, he's calling his mate. These are what we call the magpies, black magpies. See, he's on top of the roof. I've been trying to record this magpie that's always making a noise every day on top of this roof line, and here he is now back again. I think it must be a mile, who knows, but he's always making a noise. So here he is on top of the building. What's this bird? Look what he's gonna do. Wait, wait for it, wait for it. Boom. That's what he thinks of us. Oh my god. So there you go, I finally caught up with these birds, and or bird as such. I have noticed this bird here that's hanging out on our roof line pretty much every day. Meanwhile, this is the progress of our smokies. It's got more babies, and let's eat. Let's eat, everyone. Dinner time with rice salad and of course pork. I'm outside at the moment checking out these plants. As you can see, look, it's getting bigger and bigger. There's a lot. Woo-hoo, look, see? And have a look at this weather. Have a look at the sun. It's just peeping through to the clouds. Hello everyone, and welcome back to #Life101 Fellows blog and Mascara Creation Australia, Asia. My name is Joanna, showcasing life in general, including the lifestyle in Australia, as well as the progression of our snow peas plants that was actually included to one of our posting not long ago, one of our kissing game competition. Today we're going to recap about Reynolds Media Video progression in life after we have given him the chance to actually do a little business in regards to rice milling as well as retail. Everyone, welcome to Oton in Iloilo City, Philippines. This is the time that we are drying the rice before we are taking this to the milling company. This is Reynolds, and of course this is from Australia, sending our love and regards to every single teams in Iloilo as well as Sultan, Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. Welcome aboard Reynold Media Villa and Juby Media Villa. And to Reynold, good luck to you, mate, and I hope that everything's gonna go well for you. And kisses to my ihado, of course, Sean Media Villa. Welcome to Oton Retail or Arise Retail in Santa Rita, Oton, Iloilo City. If you would like to have some kind of interest, contact the Rise Retail in Oton, Iloilo City, Philippines. From farm to table, the Rise, the story, the beginning until the end. Welcome to #Life 101 Fellows Vlog. So from Australia, with love to every single team members in Iloilo City, we have Marcel Pines, Melanie Lozanos Labrador, followed by Reynold Media Villa, Juvie Media Villa. We have Jinky Casimiro Costello, Rebecca Costello, Felistardo Emmanuel. We have Sanaya Hadi Purkadilya from Sultan Kudarat. Also Poema Graphics from Esperanza Sultan Kudarat. Also we have Arisha from Aklan City, Philippines, followed by Romnick Candulita. And we have Joanny Picardo, followed with Romnick Candulita. Life as how you make it. My name is Joanna and welcome aboard to every single one of you, include Jesus Mandante of Guimaras Island, Philippines. Congratulations, and of course to Mommy, hello and congratulations as well
To Scarlett
all
and
the
Hannah,
teams
thank you
of
very
Mas-
much.